Right, here we are underneath the Disco. Back bumper's off, fuel tank is off, tow bar's off, and it reveals the true horror. There's the yellow markings that the MOT man put on. He wasn't happy about that hole. So I've got the new section to weld in place. There's my cut line. The only thing I had to hand to draw the cut line on with was some rather fetching pink nail varnish. Don't ask me why. As you can see, the cut line doesn't cut all the rot out, but the new section does extend about that far anyway. But I think we're going to have to do something with this before we weld it on. Front cross member, well, the cross member doesn't look, oh god, too bad. Well, it does look bad, but it's not too bad. It's fairly solid. This side, very much the same story. Fetching pink cut line, MOT yellow paint, big hole, lots of patches that I've put on previously, and I dread to see what the top of the rear cross member is going to be like, but hey, we're getting rid of it, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, there we go. Next job, angle grinder. Colin's come to help. Go on, Colin. There he goes. I'm sure he'll be a big help. He's going to be very scared in a minute. Obviously, the first rule of doing any major work on your car is to always have a clean and tidy working environment. And I think we've cracked it. Yeah? Colin, you're not going to like this next bit. I'm wearing the ear defenders. Right, hang on. Okay, as the saying goes, we're going to measure twice so that we can cut once. So we've got 41 centimetres. So I'll cut off 41 centimetres. That'll leave the old bit of chassis coming up to there. 41 centimetres from the body mount bracket. Same on both sides. 41 centimetres. And underneath, let's have a look. Check that my pink marking is right. Oh, dark. Okay. So, let's just sit up underneath it. Anyway, can I wear this as well as a GoPro? Probably not. Sorry, no, wait a minute. Any things on the head. I can't see much anymore, but anyway, here we go. So we're looking for 41 centimetres. And I'm going to say that line is 41 centimetres, give or take. It's right inside there. Oh, here we go. Undo you. Up against the body mount bracket, 41 centimetres. Good enough. That's vertical. Good. Ow. Same again. Up against the body mount thing, and 41 centimetres cut line. Probably need to do something with that. That's the breather, that's the filler. Can we get that to go away? Go away. Put a glove over that. Get out of it. There we go. We'll put a glove over that. Right. Can't see anything, but health and safety and everything. There you go. Okay. Hold on to your hats, people. Shit is about to get real. I'm gonna say it. Oh. No, it's too near. I have to lie down. Measured twice. It's almost certainly in the right place. Here we go. Yeah, says me, it's not rubbish. Rimmel, apparently, London. Just making sure I've got a mark in roughly the right place to follow. I think, is that level? Can't see from here. It's near enough. There we go. Is that near the mark? Yeah. Okay. Right. I think they're going to put things up. I was hoping to bring you in for this bit, i.e. dropping the rusty bit of the chassis, but it fell off before I was ready. It's just hanging on by a thread, by a little bit over there, but it's mostly off. So I expect if I give it a decent wobble, it'll probably drop. Yep, there she goes. It's probably too late to change my mind now. Okay, first test fit. As you can see, it's nearly in line with the body mount, but I wanted to see what was going to happen at this end with the angle. Let me make it wide angle. There we go. Thumb. Right, so I wanted to see what it was going to look like at this end, where the overlap is. And we've got plenty of overlap, and this, where it's going to weld to, in the corner, actually looks pretty solid. So, apart from treating the inside, I don't think we're going to need to add any more metal on this bit, because it's still got to come back another, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or something. So yeah, that looks okay. And on the driver's side, same story. We'll be welding here, which is pretty solid. This side's got to come back another, oh gosh, quite a bit, another 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. So we're going to be welding up here somewhere on this side. So yeah, that looks okay as test fits go. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to clean up some more here. Clean up inside where it's messy. Consider whether or not to, I mean, I can cut out the rubbish metal under there and put some new in if it looks like it's going to need it, but where we're going to be welding to looks pretty good, so happy with that. Yeah, further forward, the chassis is scabby, but I don't know, it's alright, probably. Yeah, so there you go, test fit, not bad. Can't allow rain to stop play. Alright, that's the offside, ready to do a bit of welding there. On this side, I'm going to have to trim the top. I'll worry about that in a minute. So, yeah, get the welder out. Okay, we've jumped forward a bit, but that's the offside join, which is joined, more or less. It's, yeah, difficult to weld on the top bit, but anyway, it's there or thereabouts. Actually no, that's the near side, sorry, that's the passenger side, and that's the underneath. Oh yeah, this is where, so on this side I had to put an extra patch on, which is that one, because the rot extended a bit further. Yeah, no, don't judge me welding, but it's definitely stuck. And then over on this side I've been welding, done a bit of grinding, not painted it yet, not finished it yet, not finished the underside, not finished the top, but it's getting there. yeah, not done that one at all. But yeah, it's coming along. Reasonable progress. There we go. Welded, painted. Good enough for me. Yep. Fuel tank in next, then the rest of the things that it failed on. I'll show you this side as well. And this side. Yep. Like I say, it's good enough for me. It's definitely attached. It's not coming off anytime soon. Okay. Oh, I even managed not to set fire to the fuel filter or any of the fuel lines, which is good.